Hi, and thank you for clicking on this video. I'm currently trying to improve my photography, and to do this I try to apply all the tips and tricks which I watch on YouTube. And the channel I watch a lot lately is from Faizal Westcott. He's an amazing street photographer and has a lot of videos about that topic, which include a lot of tips to learn from. Link to his channel below. One of these videos is the one trick composition video. Basically, he gives you a lot of tips how to incorporate the environment within your image. I took some of these tips and did my best to incorporate that in the upcoming Sony ZV E10 POV session. I link you to that specific video up here, but the tips I try to apply are using the environment as foreground, foreground as a depth tool, and foreground as a framing tool. I'm using the Sony ZV E10 with the Sigma 30mm 1.4 for this session, and now let's go outside. was very interesting for me to be very aware about these tips, because my brain was starting to search in the environment for all these kinds of frames. For me, it felt like your brain was kind of primed to look for certain things. I hope you enjoyed this quick POV session, and if you're still here, thank you very much. You deserve the like. If you want to support my small little channel, check the affiliate links below in the description. The only thing left to say is thank you for watching, gamong, vielleicht bis zum nächsten Mal und ciao.